In the deep forests of Canada, four fearless predators roam, a cunning and swift hunter that ambushes its prey with deadly precision, a master of teamwork, hunting with perfect coordination, a creature that sees every movement, even in complete darkness, and a beast that builds its own world, unstoppable and determined. These creatures don't just live in the wild, they exist in your imagination too. Could you face them in reality? Red fox. This clever and swift predator is famous for its agility and intelligence. It is a master of solo hunting and can easily catch its prey even in the darkness of night. With its sharp hearing and exceptional adaptability, it can survive in forests, mountains, and even urban areas. Canadian lynx. A silent yet strong predator that thrives in snowy regions. Its sharp eyesight and long claws make it an expert in hunting, even in deep snow. With its thick fur and large paws acting like snowshoes, it moves effortlessly through harsh winter landscapes while stalking its prey. Gray wolf. A powerful and intelligent hunter that thrives in a pack. Their teamwork and strategic hunting skills make them one of the most formidable predators of the wild. Using coordinated attacks and strong communication, they can take down prey much larger than themselves, making them apex predators of the forest. North American beaver. A hard-working and resilient animal that builds its own world. It is a master at constructing dams and rivers, which can transform entire ecosystems. Their large, flat tails help them swim efficiently, and they use their strong teeth to cut down trees, shaping the environment to suit their needs.